Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a site with WordPress. First, you will need to choose a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand or personal project. Next, select a dependable web hosting provider. Many offer specialized WordPress hosting plans. Finally, install WordPress on your hosting account, which is often a straightforward process with one-click installers provided by most hosts. This foundational setup is crucial for your site's success. Once WordPress is installed, it is time to focus on design. You can choose from thousands of free and premium themes to give your site a professional look. Use the intuitive WordPress customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts without any coding. Remember to create essential pages such as an About Us page to introduce yourself and a Contact page so visitors can reach you easily. Now, let's talk about populating your site with content. Craft compelling posts and pages, incorporating text, high-quality images, and even videos to engage your audience. To add more functionality, explore the vast library of plugins. These can enhance everything from security to search engine optimization. Remember to optimize your content for search engines to help more people discover your site. Before launching, meticulously review your entire site to ensure everything is perfect and error-free. Once live, prioritize security by installing a robust security plugin and using strong passwords. Finally, remember that ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update WordPress core, your themes, and all plugins to keep your site secure, fast, and performing optimally for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.